Hey guys, it's Ryan again. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Luna again. I just did a video a couple days ago. Luna is the coin that went from roughly $110 a coin all the way down to a goose egg, zero. And then what did it do right before it hit zero? It stopped and then went back up. So I missed out on a really important trade. I should have taken advantage of it, but I was traveling at the time and I missed out on it. And I've been punching myself in the head ever since. Okay. So I'm going to share with you guys the chart. We're going to take a look at it though. Okay. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump in on trades. I'll let you follow me on my journey so that you guys can see that I'm making money. And then when I do lose money, but everybody's coins have pretty much dropped here over the last couple months. But usually what happens is they usually will swing back up 9 out of 10 times. Luna is one of the ones that it did swing up when I did one of the previous videos. It hit that point that I told you guys it was going to hit. I took profit and I really wasn't even in it at the time that it dropped, but I was jumping in as it was making its way down. So I am red right now, but I'm going to share with you guys some things that you guys should find very interesting. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Let me keep moving here, and I'll be coming up with more videos this week. I've been running a little bit behind. Let me share my screen. I was sick for about a week and a half. So here's Luna. I'm over on TradingView right now, and this is it, man. Look at this sucker. Let me narrow. Well, I mean, if I blow this thing out, it went from 110, and here's where it's at right here. 0.000177. Let me blow this up here and you can see it's right there. Look at that. That line right there that you're looking at, that's zero. Okay, so it is just hovering above it. So a lot of people got stuck on this. A lot of people lost a lot of money and are just kind of can't do anything. They're just waiting for it to come back. But let's take a look at a potential calculation that was missed. So this is kind of what I've been doing. I've been coming in. I did buy in at $1.90. I put in around $700. So I am down right now. But my hope is that I can make it up down here while it's bouncing around. Okay. So I put in some buys at these different levels here, just small little buys. You know, I put in like $10, $20, whatever it is. I put in a few different buys in here. And as this thing fluctuates through here, it's going to be buying for me. Now, I'm not putting in a lot because I've already got some in on it. But let me share with you guys what kind of profit I missed out on, okay? As this thing bottomed out right over here, right around the 13th, okay? So let's go over here to the calculator. Boop. Here it is. And what I do here is I'm going to change the date there. What's today? The 16th of May, 2022. There's Luna. Invested. I put in these rough numbers, 100, 500 and 1,000. These are just scenarios. And then the entry price, the exit price, when I plug in these two, it'll calculate how many coins that is. And then what it'll do is it'll calculate out what the profit was. Okay. So if you go over here to the chart, here we go. And if I take that figure right over here, you know, roughly, and then what I did is I put it up here as if in the event I would have been bought in and I would have held. That's why I decided to jump in at certain levels down here to try to catch something in the event somehow just magically something happens and this thing starts to grow again. Okay. A bunch of whales come in, start pushing it up. Something about it changes. I want to be prepared for it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in that figure right here on the buy at the lowest point, and I'm going to put up here at the highest point. Okay. So let's go take a look at that. So the lowest point was right there. Look at that point. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to put that in there on the entry price. And then I'm going to put in what that was over here at the high point recently, back here on the 14th. So if I would have jumped in here on the 13th of May, and then I would have just, you know, sold up here around the 14th, one day later, 24 hours, guys, let's take a look. You ready? It's going to be painful. You guys are going to wish you had jumped in just like I do. Ready? Watch this line right here on the green, okay? Boom. Look at that. I typically will jump in on trades at these two levels. And look, if I would have just put in the bare minimum, look what I would have made in 24 hours. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Look at that right there. It's killing me. Look at that percentage of profit. If I would have gone in with that, which I roughly am in on it right now, but if I would have just chosen the correct time, I was thinking it was going to stop. I was thinking somehow it was going to come back up. It wasn't going to go all the way to zero, could it? But it almost did. And then what did it do? Boom, shot up. Get my little marker here. It went from here and shot up to there. And it hit right here also. So, if I would have seen that and I would have said, you know what, I'm going to jump out, I probably would have jumped out right in that area. I would have maybe put it just a little bit under it, and I would have made roughly that much money off of a $500 investment or a $1,000 investment. So now you guys can understand why I came in and I started putting small little increments in here just to be able to try to get something, in the event this thing swings. You never know. There could be things in play. There's big global things happening, and this thing could take a swing up. Okay. So if you guys have found this video insightful, a little, hopeful, please look down below the video right now, right over in the center here. There's a thumbs up icon. If you guys could give it a thumbs up, it helps me. It lets me know that you guys found it helpful, and it also lets YouTube know, and then they end up recommending my videos to other people. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel over here on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen of the video right now. And then also head over to my Investing Points Instagram account. Go over there. You can search for me up here in the search box, and then you just click follow, and you can come in here and you guys can see all sorts of videos that I've done on other coins, price predictions from people like you that are stuck in on trades and wanting me to let you guys know if you're in the dip. Okay, you guys should definitely come over here to my channel and watch some of these other videos, and you'll see how I trade. And you'll see here that, let me get over here. You'll see here, let me show you this. Cleared. Look at all these that have cleared. And then there's 3 here that have cleared. I've got some more over here that have cleared. I've got here a whole bunch here that have cleared. So, and then look up here. Look for the green, guys. Look at all those that have cleared. There's some reds in there, but that's just because I did some stop losses. I don't do those anymore. And I got nervous sometimes, kind of like Luna. People sold early. I don't really sell early anymore, although Luna is definitely a coin that I probably would have tried to jump out on. I didn't think it was going to go that fast, but it moved so fast that people could not get out of it in time. It was just way too fast. So anyway, if you guys have found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will be putting out more videos for you guys later. Add any comments down below. If you guys have recently bought in on Luna, please let me know, and let me know what you got in at, what price. Hopefully we can all make some money. Okay. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Remember, I'm not advising you guys to jump in. I'm just letting you guys know what I've done, and you guys can follow me on my journey. And if you did decide to do something, do a small amount. You don't have to throw everything at it. There's a higher chance that this thing's going to tank than there is going up, but I'm going to put a little bit of money in on it just in case somehow it goes up, All right. Thanks guys for watching. Have a